Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I'm so excited for today. I'm all in pink for the Chinese New Year. I know it should be red, but I haven't got any red. I need to buy something. Phil, I need to buy something. But anyway, pink. I thought pink represented cherry blossoms and yes, I'm going down that route. Today I have got a humongous, a humongously huge pin mail video for you. I have got that many pins from Hong Kong and Shanghai that I can't wait to show you. And more importantly, I can't wait to put them on my pin boards and in my books and sort them out at last. So, you ready? Get a drink, put your feet up, and I'll catch you at the side of the intro. Hit it, maestro! Excited, you ready for this? I am so excited to show you these pins. Let's put my glasses on. I am so excited. I love these, and some of these I've had since November. I think I ordered the first ones I'm going to show you. I've changed my mind which one I'm going to show you. I'm sure these went on sale in November, and I think they arrived December because the mail coming from Shanghai is a nightmare. Yeah, it is a nightmare, but luckily I found a really lovely lady. So I'll put her link down below and go check her out. And yeah, she's a lovely lady. She gets my pins from Shanghai. So, oh, I hope you're as blown as away as I am with these. So, they had, I forget what the event was called now. They had a special event where they had hidden Mickeys, and it was only over a weekend. I cannot for the life of me think what it was called. And I know to get them you had to play games, so you wasn't actually guaranteed to get them. So when Crystal agreed to get me a set, she was really taking on the challenge, hoping her friends would swap with her. And there's only 8 of these pins, and I can't see a limited edition. But it's a hidden Mickey set, so I'll put them on my back board, and I'll show you what they're like. I think you're going to fall in love with these because I know I did. Okay, you ready? They're beautiful. They're beautiful, and they're hidden Mickeys, and there's only the 8, and I got them all, and I did pay a pretty penny. Let's see if I can see it right in. Can you see all the beautiful glitter and the colours on these? I don't know if the camera will do it justice. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. I am so thrilled. They've all got different glitter, and you've got the hidden Mickey down on the name bar. I'll put a photo in just here so that if it didn't show very well you can see on the photo. So these next ones are off my lovely friend Tracey, Pin Trade Tracey, and she's over there in Hong Kong, and she gets me all the fabulous releases, so I'm so excited to show you, but I've got to find them first. Ooh, and she always sends me stickers. I always get loads and loads of stickers off Trace, which is fantastic. And this is a little zap she sent me, look. Look, little pin badge, look. Oh, isn't that lovely? So that was a little extra one she sent me with a little message saying zap. I love it. Everyone's as crazy as me, so it's fabulous. Right, so let's have a look. Which ones have I got in here? I know I told you I absolutely adore Aurora. So I have got the Aurora 60th anniversary pin. And if I open it up, because it's actually glass there, so you see the colours shining through. It's really pretty. And then you've got Aurora inside. Isn't that a lovely pin? And all the glitter inside again, really pretty. And this one is a limited edition of just 600. So just 600, so I managed to get that thanks to Tracey, so absolutely love that. I tell you what I have noticed in all seriousness is for some reason the Hong Kong pins don't sell out very quickly. It's almost as though they don't have such an interest in pins as we do. So if I've ever been a bit late, I've normally managed to get most of the pins that I really wanted, even though they're small limited edition sizes, which is amazing to me. So they did 2 in this set. So you've got the alien one, and it's a little love letter. And if you pick it up, look, it's a little love letter, and you pull it out. And it says I think that says the chosen one. Isn't that fabulous? And again, the glitter on the pins. You're the chosen one. I just think that's really beautiful. You've got the little last heart with a couple of pink hearts in. So absolutely stunning pin. And that's an open edition. I mean, that would be a limited edition in America, wouldn't it? I just think it's absolutely beautiful. And then, of course, I had to get the Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head one. Had to, no option. There was 2 in this set. So you got Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head again. You lift it up for the letter. And this one says, from my heart to you. So isn't that lovely? Really pretty pins these ones are. So absolutely adore those ones. Right, what else have I got in my bag of tricks? Oh yeah, well, it's no brainer. What year were you born in? Do you know what year you was in? I was born in the year of the horse, and so was Blake. Savannah is a dragon, but don't tell her I said that. Yeah, so she was born in the year of the dragon, and Phil was born in the year of the pig. I'm not saying a word, I'm just saying year of the pig. And this year is the year of the pig. So because of that, I had to get this on, look. And this is a limited edition. And it's the 3 little pigs. Isn't that lovely? And it's a pin on pin. I just think that's really pretty, really beautiful. And this is a limited edition of, I think it's 500. Let me have a look. They put a little sold sticker on the back over the number, so I'm sure it's 500. Yeah, a 500. So it's amazing that we can get them, because you think how quickly the limited edition ones go in the parks of 1,000-2,000 pins, but 500 over in Hong Kong, and I think they've still got them. But I just think that's really pretty pin. Really love that. So yeah. I blame my love of all of the Hong Kong and Shanghai pins on you, Beth. It's all your fault. You're spending all my money. It's nothing to do with me, Phil. It's all Beth. If you've not watched Beth, go and check her out. She's out there going, she's got a lovely channel. Disney again, lots of things. She does lots of things like we all do. But she's got a real love of Hong Kong, Shanghai and Japan and all their pins and the merchandise, and it's a fabulous channel. So until I watched her, I didn't realise that the Chinese New Year was 15 days. I thought it was just 1 day like ours. So yeah, she's very informative. She knows her stuff. She lived there. So yeah, go and check her out. I'll put a link down below. Right, so this next one, I did a trade with Crystal. My lady does the pickups in Shanghai. I was so excited, and because of Beth, I'm really collecting all the New Year pins because they're just beautiful, and I had no clue and no clue and no clue, and I didn't realise, and they're just absolutely stunning. So you ready? It's a jumbo. Look at this. Look at this. Let me take the lid off so you can see. It's actually 3 separate pins, and it's a limited edition of just 300. So there you go. Look at that. So you got Mickey, Donald, Goofy, Pluto, Daisy and Minnie. And what I love about this is because it's the original 5, isn't it? But really Daisy was there as well. So it's got the 6 of them. So in some ways it's the original 6. And it's Happy New Year down the centre. And I just think that's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And it's a limited edition of 300. How lucky am I? So yeah, I was absolutely thrilled, and that's from Shanghai. What a beautiful set. I can see me getting a Chinese New Year board set up. Phil doesn't know where he's going to put all these packages. I'm like, oh, can I just, do you mind if we just, can I just, and he's like, yeah, all right, okay. Right, so this next package is off Tracey again. Oh my, this is a big one. Okay, this is a big one. This is a big one. I've had this now for ages. Ages, I forgot. Do you know, I'd even forgotten I got some of this stuff. It's terrible, isn't it? More stickers again, lots of stickers off Tracey and maps. Now, where do I start? Which one should I do first? I'll do the one that I completely and utterly forgot about. This isn't, this, I'd forgotten I've got this. It's terrible, it's an Acme pin and I forgot. Can you believe I forgot? I forgot I'd ordered this one off her. She had these, she was selling them. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful of Rapunzel? And that's an Acme one, and that's a big pin, that is. And the pin size, shall we have a look? See if it tells me. It's a limited edition. Crikey, I forgot I got this. It doesn't say, it's just got 147 on the back, which I think, is that if you pay? If you play the games, I'm not sure. But it is a limited edition. It doesn't tell me how many, but it's an Acme pin. And that's what it's got on the back. So isn't that absolutely beautiful? And it's huge. Terrible, you buy these things. I mean, it goes in your pin box, you open it, you go, yeah, check that off, take that off my list. I do a list of all my orders that are coming, because if I didn't, well, I wouldn't have a clue. It's off the list, it's off my mind. Right, I love Monsters, and it's a new set that they're actually bringing out, and it's a pin trading set. So it's actually a limited edition of 500. So that's the first one in the set. Now it's a jigsaw puzzle, and there's only number 1 and number 2 that's been released so far. So it's Monsters and Inside Out that have been released. And funny enough, I might have the second pin to go on here in another bag. And I think the next 2 is going to be, I'm sure it's Buzz and Woody, I'm not sure, but I'm sure it is from memory. So yeah, I'm collecting the set of those. So what came with it? We have got, this is a limited edition of 500, and these are the pins. Oh, where to show the reflection. Let me take them out. Now I wasn't going to get these, and then Tracey said they're really pretty, Karen, and they. I haven't even got them out of the box yet. It's terrible. So you've got all of the monsters there. Look, so you've got Mike, Sully, yeah, and yeah, Randall, and yeah, don't know. But if you flip them round on the other side, they've got a door. So I'll just take the one off to show you, because they've each got the door of the colour they are. So Mike obviously is red. If I do this, it's got his door. How cool is that? I think that's absolutely fabulous. Yeah. See, this is why I adore these pins. And okay, this one might not have any glitter on it, but it's just beautiful. So there you go. So they're all the colour of the door is behind them. So like Sully's yellow, Randall's green, and two-headed monster there is blue. How fabulous is that? And as I said, that's a limited edition of 500. I then also got the Pin Trading Nights limited edition pin, and that's a limited edition of 500. And then the last part of this set, it's just beautiful. And this is a limited edition of 500 again, and it's the jumbo. So let me take it out of the box. and this one is meant to be a glow in the dark. So these are all going on my new pin board. So what I'm planning on doing, my pin board, my new one, and talking to Beth, this was her idea. I'm going to do a princess board, and then I'm doing a Pixar board. Because I was struggling where to put them all, and while I've got the pin books, which are fabulous, I want to be able to look at them, because you know, you spend a lot, don't you? But that's it, look. Isn't that beautiful? That's the monsters one. I just think that's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, so those are out of that package, and then I have one more package off Tracey. You ready? We know what's in here. I kind of told you. Right. So limited edition of 500. So that's my second piece of my puzzle. So that goes. Shall I put it on? Shall I put it on? Shall I be brave and actually do a jigsaw puzzle in front of everybody? I think even I can manage that. So those, so those are the first two pieces of the puzzle. Aren't they lovely? That's a limited edition of 500. I think that's really special. So yeah, then there was also a box set, but this was a smaller box set than the Monsters one where you had the 4 pins. This one you've only got 2. So let me get into the box so I can show you properly. Right. So those two. So you got joy and sadness. Is that anger and confusion, or anger and confusion, possibly frustration? So there's those, and that's a limited edition of 500 as well. I've then got the Pin Trading Nights one again, just like the Sully one, but this time it's sadness. And then the jumbo, this might actually be my favourite one out of the 2 jumbos. And this is a limited edition of 500 again. And so you've got an emotion wheel, haven't you? All the emotion. Look, it spins. Once I go back though. I think that must be where it likes to stay. Oh no, it doesn't. And Pin Trading Night, so that's a jumbo pin as well. That's a limited edition of 500. So yeah, so they're absolutely beautiful. So yeah, so that's my haul of all my Hong Kong and Shanghai pins. I hope you've enjoyed that. I really love this collection, and I just think these pins are absolutely beautiful. And I'm glad I've done it because I found the Rapunzel I'd forgotten I got. Be in trouble, I will. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. Give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out any more of my videos. But thank you ever so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming through to the end. And don't forget, always be good, be kind, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, everybody. Bye for now. Bye.